Magikarp is weak. Everyone agrees on that. Slow body, useless attacks. A Pokemon so unimpressive that predators often ignore it completely. But nature doesn't keep mistakes alive for this long. Magikarp isn't weak by accident. It's unfinished. When rivers flood and currents turn violent, most Pokemon flee downstream. Magikarp doesn't. It swims into the surge, not to escape, not to fight, but to endure. The current slams its body into stone. Water tears at its fins. Muscles rip. Bones strain. Each second should be fatal. Each impact should end it. Instead, something breaks. It snaps. Magikarp doesn't evolve gradually. What rises from the water is Gyarados, a predator forged by pressure, not instinct. The river detonates outward. Spray explodes into the air. The current collapses under sudden force. Scales harden into layered armor, thick and scarred. A narrow spine stretches into a massive serpentine frame, coiled with hydraulic muscle and stored violence. This is not balance. It is backlash. Storm clouds gather unnaturally fast above the water. Waves form where there should be calm. Currents bend away from its movement. Entire sections of the river go silent before it even comes into view. Gyarados is not born violent. It is overcorrected. A lifetime of being ignored, battered by currents, dragged across stone by forces it could not resist, every impact remembered, every failure stored, every moment of weakness erased. When Magikarp learned to tolerate pain, Gyarados eliminates the source of it. Its movements are deliberate, its strikes precise. This isn't blind rage. It's learned control shaped by suffering. And researchers observe the same pattern again and again. Water temperatures shifting, predators fleeing early, entire ecosystems reorganizing around its presence. The river that once punished Magikarp now obeys Gyarados. Same creature, same life, different pressure. Magikarp survives by enduring the impossible. Gyarados survives by ensuring nothing ever pushes back again. This is PokeTure, where evolution isn't gentle and monsters are earned, not born.